Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to take your wooden subfloor from this to this. Check it out. Okay, so step one, what you want to do is, once the floor has been demoed, obviously that would be step one, but really step one now is we are going to remove any baseboard. So you just take a knife and you cut along the seam here. You want to cut that bead of caulk out so that when you're pulling the baseboard off, it doesn't rip the paint. Also, you're going to want to use a pry bar, but you want to be careful not to make any holes in the walls. So you can also use something like a taping knife to get in there to maybe pull it away first, and then use the pry bar to pull it off, nice and gentle. So, and then if you take it off in good condition, you can reuse it. That's totally up to the client, but we're going to remove this. Then we'll probably undercut the door jambs, and then we are going to grind down the subfloor to get rid of any of this kind of stuff. All of the paint, dust, and you know, anything from over the years off the floor so that we can get a good bond with our self-leveler. So now that you removed all your baseboards and you cleaned up any big junk on the floor, the next step is to grind the floor. We're not grinding the floor to make it flat, we're grinding the floor to clean it. In this instance, this is a wooden subfloor, and as you can see, there's old dust, debris, paint, you know, just old stuff stuck to it. Those are bond breakers when you're using self-leveler, thin set, any of those kinds of materials. This is a bond breaker, so you want to get all of that off, make it look clean, then we're going to get to the next step. So I have my grinder all set, it's hooked up to my vacuum, and I'm going to put my protection on and I'm going to get going. Okay, so as you can see, I just started this little patch here, and using a diamond cup wheel on a grinder on the wooden subfloor, it pulls up all of the dust, debris, paint, etc. from over the years on the subfloor, making it look like new. So when you're done, you should see the nice clean wood. It will look pretty much like it's a brand new when you're finished. And that is how you prep a wooden subfloor for self-leveler before you tile. So I'm going to get going on the rest of this floor. Again, I just want to show you the details. So this is the diamond cup wheel. And so this is a 4-inch grinder, and this is the dust shroud. Typically we have the shield over here, but I left it off so that you can see all the details. And then when you hook it up to a dust extractor or vacuum, it's pretty much dustless. The wood is a lot cleaner to work with than if you were prepping a concrete subfloor. But yeah, so if you came across this video and you are prepping a wood subfloor, a concrete subfloor, I do have a prep video for that in an older video. I will link that as well if that is something you are working on, because this is wood. So yeah, I'm gonna get to it and you'll see what it looks like when it's all finished. It'll be really pretty. All right guys, so finished grinding down the subfloor. As you can see, all of the dust, debris, and old paint that was stuck to the floor before is now cleared away. So this is what your subfloor should look like before you tile or pour self-leveler. I do want to mention that I don't recommend tiling to plywood. It can be done, but I don't recommend it. I definitely recommend you using some sort of underlayment before tiling. So if you want to check out my next video, I'm going to walk you through how to pour self-leveler over a wooden subfloor. So you can check that out. I will link that for you. And yeah, so that concludes this video. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Like, share, comment, and tell me how you like this video. I'll see you guys next time.